Thought for the day, Monday, August the 26th. Always, immediately and with joy. Let's get up in the morning and say this only. I will be the first to love those I meet throughout the day, this one and that one. Always be the first to do it. Always be the first. Always be the first. Let's always fling ourselves into being the first to love. What a wonderful life. It strengthens us. It puts grace into motion, because love attracts the Holy Spirit, and He charges us with His immense light. It is what Jesus tells us, "Whoever loves me, I shall reveal myself to him." John chapter 14, verse 21. In fact, loving our brother means loving him. He who always reveals himself with his light. Then grace pours on us, and at the end of the day, though tired, we may feel joy. Chiara Lubich, The Art of Loving, Ciudad Nueva, page 59. Word of Life for August 2024. Lord, it is good for us to be here.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.